Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The Bank of Jamaica has reiterated its warning that consumers should be cautious in dealing in cryptocurrencies such as bitcoins. The latest warning was given at the central bank's latest press briefing. Dashan Hendricks reports.
It's the craze of the international financial markets. Cryptocurrencies, which are digital currencies used for transactions in a digital space. People around the world have been using it. Jamaicans are getting in on the act as well. The central bank recently issued a notice.
We thought it was necessary to bring some warnings to the public, and we listed 5 or so points or issues around cryptocurrencies that we think it's important for stakeholders to take very careful note of.
The essence of that warning is for the public to be careful. Cryptocurrencies have both positive and negative implications.
We want people to be cautious about these. Don't run off. If you're going to run off and buy something like Bitcoin, know what you're doing, okay, and what risks you're taking. On the other hand, don't be so frightened of virtual currencies that you don't explore potential business opportunities that may deliver products and services.
But even in that, the BOJ governor was quick to point this out.
These are not currencies that anybody backs. There's no government behind them. And so you have to keep that in mind. It's also not legal tender in Jamaica, so you may or may not be able to. You will not be able to enforce settlement in any of those in a Jamaican court, and probably not in any other court either.
He said that the Bank of Jamaica is collaborating with central banks around the region to look into the risks and opportunities surrounding cryptocurrencies. The decision on how to proceed will come in the future. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.13. The Canadian dollar is selling for $99.44. The pound sterling costs $176.62, while the euro is selling for $153.87. The Jamaica Public Service Company, JPSCO, says the 190 megawatt power plant now under construction in Old Harbour is now over 40% complete. The company said it is now going into phase 2 of the construction work. The plant, which will use LNG as its primary fuel source, is expected to go a far way in providing stable, low prices for electricity in Jamaica. It is being constructed at the cost of $330 million and is scheduled to be commissioned in June next year. The JMMB Group says it's seeking to raise $3 billion with new preference share offers. JMMB says the money will be used to facilitate its local and regional expansion, as well as to support its capital management strategy. The financial group says the money will be raised by way of the issue of 4 preference shares. The shares will be denominated in both US and Jamaican dollars. They will all be priced at $2. The offer opens next Wednesday and closes on or before March 5. The JSE index was unchanged today, but the junior market index gained 24 points. Stocks posting gains on Thursday included Caribbean Cream, Express Catering, Honeybun, Jamaica Stock Exchange, NCB Financial Group, Sagicor Group, and Supreme Ventures. Now on the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, CAC 2000, Elite Diagnostics, JMMB Group, Margaritaville, Salada Foods, T-Tech, and Wisynco Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.